Welcome everybody. Today we are going to take a look at the Rival Components KTM 390 Adventure Foot Peg. First, let's go over some of the bullet points. CNC machine billet 6061 T6 aluminum, larger platform area, aggressive cleat design, flat platform angle. All Rival component foot pegs are machined from 6061 T6 billet aluminum on a 5-axis computer-controlled milling center. The stock pegs are 3.25 inches by 1.9 inches, and the Rival component pegs are 3.5 inches by 2.4 inches. A common question we get is, do our pegs correct the forward lean angle of the factory pegs? Yes, they do. Our pegs bring the peg platform back to flat and parallel to the ground over the factory pegs. So, in combination with the aggressive cleat design, larger platform area, and corrected angle, the Rival Components KTM 390 foot pegs give you better grip and control.